Mic, there you go. Now you should be able to hear me. Let's see. Message only. Testing. 1, 2, 3. That one no longer works. But I believe Python still works. Learn Python the hard way. I believe that one's still free. Yeah, so C was free. It's no longer free because I think the beta ended. But Python's always free. The one I'm on right now? No, this is Ubuntu. I just customize it to the way I want it. Let me get this rolling. View instance. See these scripts. Nautilus. Downloads. Open new tab. What's going on? I muted because I was talking in TeamSpeak for a second. Different chat client. That's what I was gonna do. Connect to this. Copy. So with AWS, I can log into this server from anywhere as long as I have the key file, and I can practice C when on my laptop when I'm at work and whatnot without having to carry around that specific laptop. I can just remote in SSH into that box and start coding. I need to assign an IP to this thing. Elastic IPs. Allocate new IP. Associate address. Let's see, associate. So this can be our, I believe that, yeah, that's the one. Okay. AWS, learn C. clear. I mean the chmod. What was it? Instance. 600 AWS. Learn C. No, that wasn't it. Chmod. Plus X. C / AWS learn C. Yes. There we go. We're logged in. Clear. There you go. Learn C the hard way. Just in case, so let's do this. C. Clear. Plus. We're going to be using Vim. So I connected to that, that AWS instance that I launched. I launched that server in the cloud, and so I needed to SSH into it so that I can access the code that I write for Learn C from anywhere. So I will be using Vim. I prefer Vim. Ooh, okay. I got an email about something. So that's why I SSH'd into the box. Yeah. It's gonna be interesting. I already started this a while back. I think I did the first 2 exercises, but time flew by and totally forgot about it. So I'm just doing it from the beginning now, and I figured doing it live coding would be best, just because it'll actually get me to do something. What did I need to do? Oh yeah, we're gonna start writing, so make their learn C clear. CD learn C. Alright, let's start this. I installed. I literally have not been coding long. I started working in IT. I wanted to know IT back in 2012 when I was in community college, and then I graduated with my associates with a focus in information technology. Then I moved on to get my bachelor's degree in information technology. So by then I still didn't know any computer languages, and I started taking Python and when I was finishing my bachelor's. Yeah. So after that, that's pretty much all I know is Python in itself. Yeah, it's a great language. But I also want to learn how to do reverse engineering in the future, and learning C is definitely very helpful. And not only that, nice. So yeah, knowing C would help me down that path. And considering I'm an associate security consultant, I figured learning C would be a great start. Plus, I love to learn, so I spend a lot of my time learning. That's not what I wanted to do. What am I gonna do after learning C? Honestly, I have no idea right now. I'm just doing one step at a time. So, you're more than welcome to enjoy it with me. Everything installed, blah blah blah. Okay, let's make this file fim ex1.c. Insert include stdio.h. Boom, boom, boom. This is a comment. You know what? Usually I like to do this. Oh, I messed it up. This is exercise 1. Date September 24, 2016. / You're asking me questions that I don't really have answers to. To be honest, I have no idea. But I mean, learning C in itself is just a great foundation, because that's like where majority of the languages stem from. And in my opinion, learning C is just really helpful in any understanding of code. Int main int argc percent d miles away blank distance question mark, and I missed something. Press in there. That's what I missed. Return 0. Come on, enter. Control X. Ooh, that's not what I wanted. Insert mode. Set up and remember WQ. I forgot this is a nano. How long I've been coding in Python? I've been doing Python pretty much for like maybe a year and a half. I'm not too great at it. I did the whole course. That's how I found out about this book. Learn Python the hard way. I took Zed Shaw's book, which he offers for free actually, online. So learn Python. That's what it is. Python the hard way /book, and you get the whole book online for free. It's one of the books, and any book that he beta tests, he also gives out for free. But I ended up buying this one. Let's see. There are many new features of the C language in its code. Cookie self-destruction. Import the contents of one file in the source. I already read this. was supposed to make it a C, so move ex1c to ex1 clear. No, it was supposed to be C. I always mess that up. ex1.c. Then when you compile, you do ex1 and make is currently not installed. Okay. Sudo apt-get install make. Interesting. Python's. Oh, nice. Yeah, it looks like a quick one. The quick tutorial. I like to learn Python the hard way just because it goes into detail about everything. So, but nice. Now let's try it. Make ex1 error cc command not found. Seriously? I'll build essentials. That's what I need. Sudo apt-get build essentials. Let's find out actually. Boop, 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 boop. Build essentials. Get install build essential. Yes. Left bottom corner. Move it away. That's just my laptop. Let's upgrade this. Yes. Java the hot. Welcome. Just running some updates. Because we can't compile anything without the compiler. That would be a small issue. Should install now. I didn't realize that GCC compiler doesn't come with by default on Ubuntu, which is interesting. Yeah, but that reminds me too much. Reminds me too much of Windows. That's what it was. Okay, now let's see if this works. Yay, we compiled it. Execute it. You are 100 miles away. We got our first program. That just shows you I do have Python running. what's next? Oh yeah, we were supposed to go continue the book. What you should see, you can put this, blah blah. If you're not sure how it works, blah blah blah. How to break it open. Ex1.c. Let's see. Let's remove this guy. Yeah. WQ. Again. Hey, warning, format blah 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 is expecting blah blah blah. You are missing the argument. Still compiled it though. Oh, negative 447,998,360 miles. Oh, okay. I see what you're talking about. Overlay, camera, static logo. Totally forgot to grab my website. There you go. That should be helpful. I just noticed that. Thanks for pointing that out. Yeah, I wouldn't touch that. Why do you have a public IP? Hey. Yeah, I wouldn't do that. Well, apparently breaking that causes it to give you negative 447,998,360 miles. Interesting. Fin. I always want to keep using nano. I'm so used to using a simple nano. Distance. Nope. Totally erased everything. Yikes. Let's do this. Control Q. Nope. Control Q. Force. Insert. There you go. On distance. I always forget the I for insert. Then you accidentally erase a file, and then a whole bunch of issues. .c. Now we can do /ex1, and there we go. Anyways, let's continue. We did that. Do we really want to read the man pages for printf? Seems like a whole lot of reading. Jesus. You should stop soliciting people for that. We'll go to the next one. Oh. C. Let's remove EX1. C flags equals dash wall. That means drop a flag for all errors. Make EX1. Yeah, I'm not gonna connect to some random machine that you're asking me to connect to. That's just weird. And I think he left. Yep, he left. Okay, there's. Okay, I should make you one EX1 by using C to build it from EX1 C. The command is listing above is a way to pass modifiers that work. Command if you're not familiar with how you show you create these environment variables that will get to pick up. That will get picking. Line option wall to the CC command. Just to fit isn't actually all the warnings possible. You can actually get pretty far with just using make. Let's get started by using make files so you can understand. Start off and create a file with just the following in it. C flags. Okay, let's do this. ex2 vim ex2.1.1.mac. Is that what he's calling it? Yeah, I guess that's what he's calling it. Fair enough. ex2.1.mac. C flags. That's not insert. C flags equals dash wall dash G enter clean rm dash f ex1. Yeah, I'm not gonna use dash f. That is not a good thing to do. Yeah. WQ. Let's. Okay, we got that. Save the file as a make file. Directory. this program automatically assumes there's a file called makefile. Let's just run it. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna play some music because this is ridiculous. Let's see what we can play. Start. Bottom of the list is Mama Sit. It's quite alright. No rule baked. C flags wall dash G. Should work. Make clean. No, it doesn't. Make. Probably because there's no. Make ex1. Remove ex1. Make ex1. I think that's why. That is why. There you go. Now if I run this, it sets the flag. Sweet. Oh, well, that worked. Put as many commands as you want in there, so it's a great automation tool. Let's try that. Make clean fem ex1c. We'll get rid of this. Nope. Insert // Let's do. Doesn't know what printf is. Surprisingly, it still did it, even with error. Interesting. Let's see what happens. Take the line. Let's try that. Create an all EX target. Huh, interesting. Let's try that. Insert that. EX1. Will that work? Make. No. Okay. So I guess this has to be like that. That works. Let's A. And make. It's a lot to read.